జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. సుందరకాండ. Hanuma went on to Trikuta Parvatam and started meditating upon Sri Ramachandra Swami. All the devatas appreciating, praising Hanuma, and devatas, Gandharvas, Siddhas, Maharshis, all of them have seen Lanka, which is totally burnt out, and Vismayam Paramam Gataha, they all shocked to see so many flames all over Lanka. Then Hanuma, to put off the fire at his tail, Nirvapayamasa tada samudre harisattamaha, he dipped his tail in the ocean. Then Hanuma started thinking like this: all this entire Lanka is totally burnt out. Then what happened? Nunam Aryapi Janaki. What happens to my mother Sita Devi? Definitely Sita Devi also probably got burnt out in these flames. What kind of a severe mistake that I have done. Such a grave sin that I have committed. I destroyed entire of the mission that I came here. I destroyed my Ramachandra Swami's work. Edardham ayam arambhaha, for the what work that I came here, that work itself is tat karyam avasaditum. That work itself is destroyed by me. This is totally uncontrollable anger. Because of that, I did all this destruction. Those who really controls their anger, they are the one who are considered as great-hearted people and learned people. Now I am realizing that if the anger is not controlled, kruddha papam na kuriyat, kah kruddho hanyat guru napi. Those who cannot control their anger, they would not hesitate to kill great people. They would not hesitate to scold great people. If the anger is not controlled, vachya vachyam na vijanati, they do not know what they are speaking. Nakaryam asti, those who cannot control their anger, there is no any bad work that they cannot do. They will do every bad work. Navachyam asti, those who cannot control their anger, there are no bad words that they cannot speak. They will speak all the bad words. Because of that anger, because that I could not control anger, I have destroyed everything and I killed Sita Devi. I burnt Sita Devi in these flames. Definitely Sita Devi would have burnt out in these dreadful flames. Now only option is left to me is I should kill myself. Otherwise, with what face I would go back to Sugriva and Rama Lakshmana? I will kill myself by jumping into the same flames. Or I will kill myself by jumping into this ocean. I have now proved my wavering mind because I am monkey. I know that I am enough capable of controlling anger, and I am enough capable of protecting Sita Devi. But I did not do that. I was totally swallowed by anger and I destroyed Sita Devi. I could not protect Sita Devi. Like that, Hanuma started thinking. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Srimannarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.